When changes in weather occur, the impact can be unpredictable and uncomfortable for you and your family. At CenterPoint Energy, our priority after a storm is safely and efficiently restoring the electricity you depend on. After assessments are made, our crews focus on making repairs to restore critical infrastructure and the largest number of customers first. Next, we work to fix the areas of damage that may power your neighborhood and surrounding businesses. After repairs are completed, if you're enrolled in Power Alert service, you may receive a notification saying your power is back on, when in fact it is not. If your home still doesn't have power, but others around you do, you may be a part of a nested outage. This occurs when, even after fixing the main issue, smaller, separate problems still cause outages in specific areas. Problems could include a damaged transformer, possibly a tree on the service line that runs directly to your home, or even customer equipment damage like your weatherhead. If this is the case, we ask you to please reach out to CenterPoint Energy to report your power outage. CenterPoint will send crews back out to address the issue, and we will keep working until each impacted customer has their electricity restored.